Hello friends, welcome to my channel SQL Server Log. Today we are going to see how to write SQL Server program to find largest among three numbers. So basically this practice is for junior developers or SQL Server developers who has interest in developing queries and programs. Okay, so this is for practice purpose. So we will write a program in SQL Server. Okay, so just see it. We will take three variables. Number one as integer, and we will declare it, for example, say 55. I'll just copy it and paste for number two. And I'm giving this value as, for example, 40, and number three, for example, say 35, and this is number 3. So we have declared three numbers. Okay, and we will declare largest number. Declare the rate largest number int. Now we will select at the rate largest number equals to, and we will write case when at the rate number 1 is greater than or equal to at the rate number 2, and the rate number 1 is greater than or equal to at the rate number 3, then largest is at the rate number 1. Okay, and this when at the rate number 2 is greater than or equal to at the rate number 1, and at the rate number 2 is greater than or equal to at the rate number 3, then largest is at the rate number 2. Else largest is number 3. And so this is a program which we have written. We have declared number 1 as integer 55, number 2 as integer 40, number 3 integer as 35, declare largest number integer. Now we are selecting largest number equals to, we have written case when number 1 is greater than or equal to number 2 and number 1 is greater than or equal to number 3, then largest is number 1. And when number 2 is greater than or equal to number 1 and number 2 is greater than or equal to number 3, then largest is number 2. Else largest number is number 3. And okay, so we have written this program and we will display, I'll just write it, display the largest number, and we will select at the rate largest number as largest number. Okay, so I will just execute this query, and you can see the output is 55. So when you will compare out of three numbers, among these three numbers 35, 40 and 55, the largest number is 55. The result is 55. And if you want to change it, just change it. For example, this is 7,000, this is 9,500, this is 35,000. Now execute, which is the largest number. 35,000 is the largest number. Okay, so in this way you can write a program to find largest among three numbers. I hope you will like the video. Thank you.